How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Land Rover Naperville, part of the Patrick Dealer Group, and we are super excited about 2025 and Land Rover. Sales are still strong, our cars are still incredible, and we got 2 new models coming out for 2025, so let's talk about it. The first new model coming out is going to be a all-electric full-size Range Rover. That's right, the big body Range Rover, the big king of the road. It is going to have an EV version that is going to be coming out for 2025. I feel like electric vehicles suit luxury vehicles absolutely perfectly, since it's all about smoothness and quietness. That is definitely a great move, I think, for Range Rover. An all-electric Range Rover is going to be a fantastic addition to the lineup. From the teaser images that we see online, styling is going to be very, very similar to the gas-powered version. And it is rumored to have multiple electric motors, and it's going to probably have the same, if not even more horsepower than the V8 models, so expect between 500 and 600 horsepower, which is, again, no slouch, and you can absolutely bet that the interior will be just as luxurious as the gas-powered models also, which is already like top tier. I mean, the interior on these full-size Range Rovers is just unbelievable. I would want to live in one if it wasn't more than rent for my townhouse. And next up, we have a new version of the Defender. You might have seen it online already, but that is going to be called the OCTA. The whole purpose of the Defender OCTA is to be the most powerful and the most capable Defender ever. Of course, the Defender is already a truly fantastic off-roading car, and the Defender V8 was one of the most fun cars I drove in all of our channels this year. I truly loved that thing. Well, they're going to be making an even more powerful, even more capable version of the Defender. As you can see in these photos, it looks unbelievable. It has a little bit of a restyled front end, make it look a little bit more aggressive. They put some kind of off-road lights in the grille too that light up orange, which is always cool. I love the new wheel design. Looks like something straight out of a military SUV. It's got a roof rack on it too that's optional. Just all around really good looking car, and I love the colors that they come out with. These first edition cars only get a couple colors. There's a matte black, there's a pharaoh green, which I like a lot, but yeah, all kind of military inspired and look phenomenal. It is powered by a 626 horsepower twin turbo V8, which is just unbelievable. I can't wait to hear how these things sound. The Defender V8 is already, I think, one of the best sounding cars on the road now, so adding even more power, more grunt into that exhaust, it's only going to sound even better. And then inside, you can see in these photos, it has these new sport bucket seats, which look really cool. They're definitely going to hold you in place, whether you're going off on trails or just hammering it down the road. And from my experience, Jaguar makes some of the best bucket seats on the market. I absolutely love the ones in the Jaguar F-Pace SVR. They look like they're kind of a similar mold to those, and those are some of my favorite car seats I've sat in this year, so definitely looking forward to that. We should be seeing those decently soon. You can order one now online, and pricing for that model starts at $152,000, so it's definitely going to be the king of the range as far as the Defender goes, but the capability and performance of that car definitely deserves that kind of a price point. And that's all I've got for you today as far as new Land Rover models go. Everything else from the lineup is getting kind of minor tweaks here and there. There's a new grille on the Velar, but most of our 2025 models are already out already, so we're going to be looking forward to 2026. As always, if you need any sales, service, or parts, please reach out to Land Rover Naperville. We'd be happy to help you out. And I do want to give a thank you to everyone who has watched my videos this year. I put a lot of hard work into them, so I hope you have enjoyed them along the way. We would love to hear in the comments section down below what you guys want to see in future videos, whether it be more kind of technical how-tos, car reviews, kind of in and outs, quirks and features, whatever you guys want to see, we will make sure to make that happen. So leave a comment down below. We'll be happy to read through those, and I'm looking forward to seeing your ideas. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.